Back out in the garage on an Explorer project today. You can see right here we've got this area. Everybody said tint your taillights. Well, we're going to tint taillights. So let's talk about that. Some places you got government regulations that'll say don't tint your taillights. So we're actually not going to tint the red. We're going to leave the red. Looks cool. We're good. We're going to get rid of that bright shiny part that looks like chrome, because you can see how we've blacked out the other parts. So let's go through the tools and let's get going on this. Alright, so our tools are pretty simple. We got our glove, our squeegee, we got our scissors, we got our material, we got our cut line tape right there. That's the cut line tape. We always use the good stuff. Got a piece of black tint that's kind of El Cheapo, but we're going to try it. We got a knife they gave us, probably not going to use. Our alcohol and some paper towels. Okay, start by opening up the back and cleaning the taillights off. Can't stress enough, alcohol, clean it off. Fine line tape, and tape it off. Gotta remember, what you put down last, you pull up first. A decision if you're going to just make this come in or if you're going to cut that off. We're going to cut it off. So we're going to do it like this. And again, make sure you got some tail. Now remember, got to pull this first. The other ones won't matter. They don't cross anything, so you can pull them in either order. Pulling this out. See, that's pretty dark. It's kind of nice. It does have a protective lining on it, so we can figure out how big a piece we need here. Got some tape on here, unfortunately. Your sides are clean as you can get it. I know that you're going to peel it off and you're going to have issues, but what you want to do is peel it and stick it without any dust underneath it. So you wipe this down, make sure there's no dust. Got our scraper ready to put it down. Hard part's getting it started. Let's see which side's which. Now when you peel this, make sure you peel it, but don't let it touch itself. If it touches itself, it gets really, really hard to work with. Just going to position it like this and say that's pretty good. Again, we pull it up and we, like vinyl, you work it down, you work it around. see we got some wrinkle there, but it's outside of our area, so we don't have to worry. You want to work it out over the light. You want it to be stuck down really good on both sides of that fine line tape, all right? Okay, so we're working it down. You can see we're getting bubbles out. It's hard to work the bubbles out of this stuff because it doesn't have, it's not the usual material. It's not breathable, all right? We know we're going to pull this one first. So what we're going to have to do, get out our knife and peel this up a little bit. We'll cut this out. Now we've got this film on here we can take off. So we peel this film off and see what you've got. Now you got the shiny part. We do have a bubble there. We can work that out later. Plus bubbles go away over time. The hard part is getting this stuff loose. Peel a little of it up. Get that up. Now you've got to get this so it's peeling. Up she goes. So you can see we cut that piece off. So now we can peel this off of there. You can see what we've got. Here we'll just take the knife. We're going to cut some of this off. We don't need it. And the key here is to get this out. Always remember to get your second piece of tape from behind it out. See, then you can rub that down, all right? Now we're going to try to get these other ones. Pull your material. You hold your finger. You can usually pop that through like that. You hold this down a little. See, I got a real good line going here. Keep it smooth. Get it peeled. Now I can peel this center section out and peel out this stuff. Now, if you don't want scratches on there, you got one of these gloves, helps you out. Now we got to get the other one loose. Same routine. Peel off the outer skin. Put your finger down and kind of pop it. Pop it again. And come up and follow the contours. Pull it 90 degrees. And you're done. All right. Then you can get the other piece off, which is this piece. Got to do a little knife cutting here. Because this comes around the corner here, so we're just going to cut this off here. That's the end of that. And then you know this is all pulled through, so we pull all this off. And you got to make sure you get both of these out. You can see I'm only getting one right now. I get the other one here. Oh, broke off on this turn, so we've got to peel this open a little. Get that out of there. Yep, got a little more in there, don't we? Where do we get it all? Oh, we got it all. All right. Again, use the glove. You got a couple little bubbles, you can work them to the edge, get them out. You can use a heat gun to get them out. There you go. I'm going to take a pause. We're going to do the other side. So here's what we're showing you. You see the turn lamp is also behind here as well as the backups. You can still see it. It's pretty amber. It's pretty good. You can see it pretty well. So that's a good thing. Here, we can move it over a little bit this way. You can see it a little better. All right. It's kind of the view you get. I'll go sit in the car, hit the brakes, turn this off. You can see that. Okay, let's start it up and see backups. All right, so like and subscribe. Don't miss any videos. Post notifications on. You get every update. Let's take a look at what that looks like, and we'll end on that note. We're making a cooler, meaner Mad Max Explorer, one step at a time. Everything that you can do in your own garage. Enjoy.